Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training. Today I'm going to conduct a turnaround manoeuvre on a two-way street. There's no markings on the road. In a Q-safe driving test, the road that is selected by the driving examiner will be 6 to 8 meters wide. When I do the first movement, what I'm going to do before I leave is a 6-point check around the vehicle to make sure it's all clear. Then I'll do mirror indicator shoulder check. I'll give 5 seconds notice on the indicator to the right before I depart. I won't do dry steering, which is turning the steering wheel while stationary. I will gently release the clutch on this manual vehicle. Once I'm moving, I will then go quick hands, so quick steering to the right. You can use hand over hand or pull push steering. No grabbing inside of the wheel, no palming the wheel. And then you can do one of two things when you nearly reach the other side of the road. You can either counter steer back to the left so that you set yourself up for the second part of the manoeuvre, or you can maintain the full lock to the right, stop, engage reverse gear, keep your scanning going as you're proceeding, and then reversing back, primarily looking out the back window of the vehicle. You look in the direction that you're traveling, also monitoring up and down the road. And as you can see, currently on my left, there is a bike/pedestrian two-way zone that you'd be watching as well. Reversing back, stopping, continuing the observation scanning around the vehicle for safety, engaging first gear and moving off. People always ask about signaling in this manoeuvre. It is mandatory. That means you must indicate to the right for 5 seconds before leaving the curb at the start. You do not need to indicate on part 2 of the manoeuvre, which is the reverse. Part 3, drive off down the road. You will see some people put the right indicator on. It's optional, it is not mandatory. You do not have to do it. You will not get an error if you do not do it. Common errors. First of all, failing to give way. That usually implies not scanning correctly up and down the road. Secondly, driving straight into the curb over on the right. Third, stalling the vehicle. Obviously, if you're in a manual, it's probably the main ones. I'd say number 4 is incorrect gear selection. So after reversing back, moving into part 3 of the manoeuvre, dropping into third gear instead of first. They would be the main ones. Now, with our curb departure, let's do this. So clutch goes in, first gear, scanning all around the vehicle, right indicator for 5 seconds. Make sure I check over my shoulder. Release the handbrake. Another little shoulder check just for safety. Moving the vehicle, full lock to the right. And stopping where I am, I can actually see the curb just below my right wing mirror. Looking up and down the road, secure the vehicle with the handbrake, start to move slowly, full lock to the left, go, 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 but slow car. Stopping the vehicle, looking up and down the road, making sure it's all clear, moving, quick hands on the steering wheel, slow car, and away we go.